Hello guys, today we're gonna talk about the RISER mudguard. So quickly I'm gonna show you how to install it. So on the kit you have 4 forks like this, and then you have the square spacer, the nuts, a washer and the screw like this one. So I show you how it's placed. So the fork goes like this, okay? It follow the shape of the mudguard. How it looks like, between the fork and the fork books there is 3mm gap, and you will close it with this one. Now this front screw is tight, so it's a bit on the wrong position, so once it's like this it will fill the gap. The reason of the RISER mudguard is to remove by hand quickly the mud by untightening the 4 screw. So here I show you the system, up and down. So the spacer go on the back of the fork. When you use it, remove the mud and then you put on the original position. If you keep it up and you go on bumpy roads, the back part might hit this one and you could break the back part. And the reason of this is to remove the mud quickly, and you can back on the road quickly. You can keep it up like this, but we don't suggest it. So guys, if you like the video, subscribe to the channel and leave a comment, thumbs up, and see you on the next one. Ciao!